Okay, number 2 on the chapter 5 geometry test. We got, this is that proportional. We have two congruent angles. So that's an angle bisector, right, of a triangle. And when you have an angle bisector of a triangle, we say that these sides are proportional to these sides. So the easiest way for us to remember that, do you remember, was just draw your line, hit your equals, draw your line. Simple. Okay? So I've got 2y over 3y minus 4 is equal to 12 over 36. Okay? Then cross multiply. Okay? And I get 36 times 2y. And I get 12 times 3y minus 4. Everybody on the block gets the paper. So I get 36y minus, looks like 48 is equal to 36 times 2, which is 72. I'm going to move the lowest y. So minus 36y. Sorry about that. Minus 36y. Okay. Now that's going to get me to a y on one side. Okay. And so I get 36y is equal to negative 48. So then I get divided by 36, and so I get y is equal to, and upside down division, right? And so, well, what goes into there? I know 2 does, right? Does 4? You know, I don't know. I know 2 and 3 do, but you know, if you don't see those things, right? Does 4 go into 36? Does 4 go into 48? You know, 12. Exactly. So you can go with the biggest number first. You can start with 2. 2, 3, or 2, 2, 3, right? Or 12 right away. Okay. So it's up to you how you want to use this. When you're breaking down a fraction, try to use the biggest number you can think of. Okay? The way I look at it is, I know 2 goes into both of them. Cool. Do I know 3 does? Well, this is 12, right? So 3 goes into it. This is 9, so 3 goes into it. So 2 times 3 goes into it. So 6 does, right? Well, this 4. I can double check, just see if 4 goes into, 4 goes into that one, 4 goes into this one. So then 4 and 3 go into it, right? So that's 4 times 2. Or, sorry, 4 times 3. So I got 12. So how many times does 12 go into 48? 4 times. And how many times does 4 go into 12? 3. So we got a negative number, right? Well, that's fun. Okay. Is that possible? Not really, unless we talk about negative vectors, right? But this is the way I set up the problem. You're just solving it and telling me what y is, and now you're going to tell me what a, b, and b, c are, right? So you're going to plug that in as a negative and tell me what they are, because that's the way it was solved. Okay? So 2y is going to be 2 times 4/3 negative, right? So that's going to be bc. Okay? That's 2y. Right? And so bc is equal to negative 8/3. Or 3 goes into 8 twice with 2 left over. Okay? So there's BC. Yes, sir.
How did you get minus 56?
56 or 36?
Or were you minus 36? You put minus 56 on the side?
No, this is a 36. This might look like a 56 from back there. Is that better, Greek? Okay. And then We want to find AB, so we plug in those numbers. AB is equal to 3y minus 4, right? And so I've got 3y, in this case, 3 times negative 4/3, right? Minus 4. So now I've got minus 4, so I have minus 8 is AB. Okay? And can a side be negative? No. You're like, this isn't even possible. Thanks for nothing, teach. But, you know, that not possible, I'll give you a little extra credit. Okay?